I think that's a testament to our staff. I mean, Coach has a great skill at keeping guys poised. We go out and we practice jump shots, but Coach and the staff do a great job of staying positive and keeping everybody mentally into the game. So I think that was just a testament to Coach and our staff. They told us, my teammates as well, they were like, listen, second half, it's a whole new ball game. So, it's a testament to them.
At this point, they're opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations. It's you've been the next renewed life after that losing streak. How big was your impact since you came over here?
The first practice, the coach put me on the spot. He told me to give the team a speech, and the first practice, I told guys, like, listen, man, we know the challenge up ahead, but we're going to take one play, one day, one game at a time, and the outcome will be what it is. And that was my mindset, and that was my input.
You guys are going to the playoffs now. You'll play TNT. We'll see that match.
I'm sorry.
You'll play TNT and Rodney Ellis versus the best of 5 quarterfinals. How do you see that match?
They're an explosive team offensively. They have size defensively, so we kind of got to neutralize it by distributing the ball and sticking to what we do. They're going to play their game and we're going to play ours. So just sticking to our game plan and letting the chips fall where they were.
Despite the current losing streak, you were able to make a playoffs. The first conference is right.
Yeah, what's good about this team, especially in is even if we start losing games, we don't start bickering or blaming each other, just sticking together as a team and working the same way as if